Today I'm going to talk about question 13. In the first option, we can see that b is bigger than 0, but it is smaller than 1. So we will know that b must be a fraction. And according to the book chapter 7, page 17, that is a table summarizing the features of the exponential functions and their graphs. When a is bigger than 1, the graph slopes upwards from left to right. Another situation, when a is bigger than 0, but it is smaller than 1. The graph slopes downwards from left to right. Refer back to the question. The graph slopes downwards from the left to the right. So b is bigger than 0 and it is smaller than 1. And now we know that the first option is correct. Let's move to the next option. A equals to 3. In this option, we can use two methods to solve it. Method 1. As the y-intercept of the graph is 3, so 0 and 3 is one of the coordinates lying on the graph. These information are given in the question. First step. Substitute 0 and 3 into the graph. Then let x be 0 and let y be 3. And here's are the common mistakes that students usually mess up with. When b to the power of 0. Some students will mistakenly think that it is 0, but the correct answer should be 1. For example, when 6 to the power of 0 and 999 to the power of 0, they are both equals to 1. Lastly, for the final answer, a should be equals to 3. The second method. Back to the book chapter 8, page 39. It is about logarithmic transformation. It means that we can take logarithms on both sides of the equations and transform the nonlinear relations to the linear relations. But before I introduce to you the transformation, let's recap the equation of straight line. As you can see, m represents the slope of the straight line, and c represents the y-intercept of the straight line. The following table has shows an example. The first steps of the transformation is to add log into the equation. Then try to form an equation of straight line. In this example, you will see that log k is the y-intercept and log a is the slope of the straight line. Back to the question. The third thing we have to do is log the equation. And here's come the second common mistakes. Some students think that log ab to the power of x equals to log a times log b to the power of x. However, this is wrong. Here's an example. Log mn equals to log m plus log n. So in here, the answer should be log a plus log b to the power of x. Back to the equation that we are solving. Our goal is to form an equation of straight line. And you will know that the y-intercept is log a. Finally, look at the graph and you will find out that the y-intercept is log 3. So a is equals to 3. And the second option is correct. During the exam, I recommend you to use method 1 because it is more simple and fast. Lastly, the third option. Does the graph passes through the coordinates of -1 and a divided by b? The -1 is one of the given information. First, let -1 and y be the coordinates passes through the graph. Y will be equals to ab to the power of -1. Therefore, y equals to a divided by b. And the third option is also correct. The answer is D.